Hello, this is Peter Bamworth Carrillo. This is the second video for Stats 243Z online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload an Excel file into RStudio so you can analyze the data. Starting here on our Canvas homepage, click on the climate data link, which takes us to a Google Sheets. I don't know if it's possible to directly access data from Google Sheets from RStudio. So the simpler thing to do is to go to File and download your data as in Microsoft Excel.xlsx. And once you download it, it'll be saved on your machine. Come back here to the Stats homepage in Canvas and click on the link for RStudio and R. If you're already logged in like I am, it will take you to your workspace. If you're not already logged in, remember to log in using Google and using your my.chemeketa.edu Gmail account. You probably only have one project, and it should say something like Stat 243Z Summer 2025. So click on that project, and it will restore the project. Remember, you got this started following the last video where you set up RStudio. Might take a minute to restore the project, and that's okay. Once the project is restored, you'll see these four windows. I deleted the code from my initial example, but I still have the R script. That's what this file is called, labeled stat243z lab1. And then there's the terminal that shows you the output of any code you run. The two windows on the right, the top one shows you the environment, which would show you what data you have loaded in. And then the bottom one has a number of different tabs, including files and plots. So we're going to upload our climate data file. Click on Upload Files to Server. And you should see something that looks kind of like this. I'm using a PC, so it might look a little bit different on a Mac. We don't want to change the target directory. Leave that alone. Instead, click on Choose File to Upload. Hopefully, my Zoom recording will record all of this because it's technically not the same window. But I'm going to open it, and I'm going to double-click and choose a file, climatedata.xlsx, and then click OK. And now you can see in the Files pane, there's a file called climatedata.xlsx. We are halfway there to getting our data into R. We have now uploaded our data to the cloud storage, but we don't yet have it in our environment yet. So to import it into our environment, all you have to do is click on the blue link for climate data and click Import Dataset. I have set this up so you shouldn't have to change any parameters. Double check that the data looks like what it did in the Google Sheets, that the name is climate data with the data capitalized. Don't change max rows, skip, or NA. Leave the first row as names in the Open Data Viewer alone. This is the actual code that R uses. Now, when you import, it's likely going to say you have to install packages. So just click OK when you install packages. And yours will run a lot longer than mine because it's installing new packages. But ultimately, what you're going to see after a whole bunch of text over here in the console is you're going to see the climate data as a table in a new tab next to your script. And then over here in the environment, you're going to see climate data listed, 193 observations of 6 variables. That means this is now inside RStudio, and you can start analyzing this data. For example, I could find the mean temperature across all cities. Remember, the hashtag makes it a comment, so I'm going to do the mean. I'm going to choose my data set, climate data. I'm going to choose my variable April temp. I have written the code. I have not yet run the code. So to run the code, you click on Run or press Control Enter. And now it found the mean climate data April temperature to be 16.34. That's just code. What I expect you to be able to do is to tell me what that actually means. What's the scale? Is that Celsius or is that Fahrenheit? What does it say to, what does it imply that you're calculating a mean? And that's my video for how to upload data into RStudio. You are now ready to work on Lab 1. Thank you.